Hello, Maya. This is the Son Sanctuary UNESCO site, and they have preserved as much as possible many of the artifacts in the temples here. Now, the surprising thing is this was in 657, many of these, and many of the gods are the Hindu gods, which is surprising for Vietnam. I would have expected perhaps Buddhist or Taoist, but it's Hindu. And there's a number of surveyors from India who had done a lot of work to preserve this facility. And Maya and I are enjoying it right now. Hello, Maya.
Hello.
Now, many of these temples remind me a lot about the ones in Thailand. Not in Ayutthaya. They remind me a lot of that. But of course, these are Hindu rather than Buddhist. Looks like this one is under restoration. Now, one thing I haven't shown you yet is that there are many bomb craters on this site, which means that during the Vietnam War, many bombs are dropped here, and luckily some of the ruins are still intact. They've survived the bombing, so thankfully we get to see the legacy of their history. I don't know that these columns were actually in the place here. They've stood them up, but it highlights some of the architectural features of how they built some of their temples here.
So the first animal is an elephant. So the son of Shiva is Ganesha. Ganesha he very intelligent. Very intelligent. So you see a lot of like the picture, like the statue of elephant.